Python is renowned for its powerful features that set it apart from other programming languages. Here are key reasons why it excels. Dynamic typing. Python's dynamic typing allows developers to write code without explicitly declaring variable types. This flexibility speeds up development and simplifies prototyping. Rich standard library. The extensive standard library provides built-in modules for tasks ranging from file manipulation to web services. This means developers can accomplish more without relying heavily on third-party libraries. 3. Interpreted language. Being interpreted, Python executes code line by line, making debugging easier. Developers can test snippets quickly, significantly enhancing productivity during the development cycle. 4. Multiple paradigms. Python supports object-oriented, functional, and imperative programming. This versatility allows developers to choose the best approach for their projects, fostering better code organization and reusability. 5. Strong integration. Python integrates seamlessly with languages like C and Java, enabling the use of existing code and libraries. This feature is particularly beneficial for performance optimization and working with legacy systems. 6. Robust ecosystem. Python boasts powerful frameworks such as Django for web development and TensorFlow for machine learning. These tools facilitate complex functionalities, reducing development time. A vibrant community. The active Python community offers extensive documentation, tutorials, and forums, providing invaluable support for troubleshooting and skill development. Cross-platform compatibility. Python runs on various operating systems, allowing developers to write code once and deploy it anywhere. This enhances portability and streamlines deployment. In summary, Python will help basic to advanced development,